Welcome back to the math show. You're gonna leave with more than you already did know.
Dad, wake up.
There's no school.
No,
Coronavirus.
get up.
There's coronavirus. There's no school.
No, your math show. Get up.
The math show! The toilet paper problem. Did anyone do it? Did it seem too daunting? Check this out. Here's what I did. I don't know. I had to really think about this one. The question was, once again, is how many days will 12,000 sheets last? Because there's 12 rolls and 1,000 each, right? So, where did I start? I wanted to know who's in my house and how much toilet paper they use. My dog, she does not use much. But here's what I did. I made a little table to organize my stuff. There's me, then my wife Mel, and then Joaquin and Eva. And then what I did is I figured out how many times we pee and poop a day. So I had to ask everybody. Or how much toilet paper they use when they go pee and poop. So I don't use any when I go pee, but two poops a day, and that's 10 sheets times 2 for 20. I had to figure out that. How many sheets do you use when you go to the bathroom? My wife was, she said 10 times she goes pee, and then she uses 3 squares each for 30. Same amount for the poop, so that's 20 sheets for that. Joaquin. Also, a third category was the nose blowing. I had to think about that. I heard some of my family members blow their nose with toilet paper. So, 6 sheets for Mel, 12 for Joaquin. I don't blow my nose with toilet paper. And Eva, 12 for her as well. And there's my totals, 45 plus 80 plus 30. That's the pee plus the poop plus the nose. And that's 155 squares that my family uses daily. So there, and I did a breakdown of how much each person uses per day. And then from there, you know, all I had to do there is grab a calculator, and divide 12,000 sheets by how much we use per day, almost 77 and a half days. And then I looked at that number, 77 days. It seems like that's actually a little conservative. So, seems like it wouldn't last that long. But I guess the one way we could find out is to actually use the 12 rolls and see how many days it takes. All right, that was the warm-up. I'm not sure what you guys came up with, but that was kind of a fun problem. Different answer for everybody, too. That's what I like about math sometimes, is when we can all get different answers and get to them in different ways. It would have been fun to hear what you guys did for that problem. Today we're going to be testing solutions for equations. So come on and chickity-check yourself before you wreck yourself. People really love algebra because at one point you find that value for the variable, whether a equals 4 or c equals -2, and then you can take your solution and pop it back into the original equation. So come on and chickity-check yourself before you wreck yourself. To see if you got it right or wrong. Today we'll be testing solutions for equations. Check this out. This is an equation, and what you guys already know is that an equation is built on 2 equal expressions. This expression right here, this expression, 15 plus 10, that expresses the number 25. And if we look on the other side, the other expression, it is a 25. So this is a true statement. 25 equals 15 plus 10. But it's a balance, and it is balanced out. The right side weighs as much as, or is equal, or expresses as much as the left side. That's what we're going to be thinking about today. The right side is exactly the same as the left. Otherwise, we wouldn't have this. Just knowing that an equation is built of 2 equal expressions helps you figure out if your solution is right or wrong. Today, 4 characters will be trying to see if their solutions to an equation actually work. We have Birdman, Willie Nelson, Snowman, Disco Snowman, the football drink hat guy. So we'll see whose solutions work to some pretty complicated equations. And what's really cool about algebra is, once again, once you find your answer, check yourself before you wreck yourself.
So come on and chickity-check yourself before you wreck yourself.
And plug it back into the equation to see if you have a balance. All right, let's go to the first equation. Let's see what Birdman thinks.
I think I can do this. I got 800. I'm trying to see if 800 is a solution to this equation. So I got W equals 800. So I'm going to plug my answer back in and see if the right side equals the left side. 14's on the left, so this expression has to equal 14. Let's simplify the expression on the right-hand side. 800 divided by 8 is 100. And 100 plus 11, it's 111. And 111 does not equal 14. Not a solution.
Let's see what Willie Nelson thinks. Mama, don't let your babies grow up to be cowboys. Hi, Willie Nelson. I think I got the right answer. Answer to this equation is 8. My answer is way better than Birdie's answer. My solution's 8. You put it in right there. Let's plug it in. I'm gonna check myself before I wreck myself. Left side is 14, so this side must equal 14. 8 divided by 8 is 1, and 11 plus 1 is 14. Ew. Mama, don't let your answers grow up to be wrong. Let's see what the Disco Snowman thinks. Don't worry about your answer, 'cause my answer is correct. Plug it in right here. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Left side 14, right side 16 divided by 8 is 2. And 2 plus 11 is 4. 13, not so sweet. 16, not so sweet. Let's see what Football Helmet thinks.
Football style. Football is 24. We got a 24 right there. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 3 plus 11 is that little guy over there. Look at this. 14. Winner.
Well, that was weird. All 4 people thought they had the right answer, but only 1 got it correct. Let's go to the second equation. We're gonna see now, round 2, the expression's gonna get a little more tricky. You really have to know your order of operations to see if your solution is correct. Let's take a look at equation number 2. On the left side, we have a 12 plus a fraction or division problem. The variable minus 8, and we have to divide this by 2. This whole expression on the left has to equal ding, 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 12. 12. So if I know this is 12, on the right, I know that this whole thing over here will be a 12. Not just that piece, but this. So I'm thinking to myself, what can I add to 12 to make it a 12? Isn't that 0? So we'll see if our contestants today can make a 0 out of this second term to make each side equal 12. If that last part was a little confusing, don't worry. Birdie, hey! Birdie, why are you shooting baskets? Get over here, it's your turn.
Oh, me? Is it my turn? Let's go. All right, here's what I got. Number 2, yep, the B minus 8 one. Yeah, it's 10. It's 10. I don't win this round. Football guy, you got nothing on me. Watch and learn. All right. Whew. Can't believe I made that dunk. All right, so, what am I doing? I gotta substitute it for the variable. Not that jeez. Okay, so that's what I got. So the right side's 12. This should equal a 12. Here we go. 10 minus 8 is 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. And I'm wrong. That's 12 plus 1 is 13. So this is 13. That's 12. 12. 13. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Sorry, I tried. Oh well, I'll get the next one. I think I got it now.
Uh-oh. Willie Nelson fell asleep. Willie, hey, Willie, it's your turn. All right, Mama, don't let your solutions turn out to be anything but 0. We're gonna take this bad boy and put it right here. 0 minus 8 is negative. Uh-oh. 0 minus 8 is negative 8. Negative 8 divided by 2 is, that's a negative 4. Uh-oh, this is not right. Negative 4, this is negative 4. 12 plus negative 4 is 8. Mama, don't let your baby turn out to be 0. Football guy, gee, stop playing. Was he playing football?
23, 22, 65. Good. I got 16, we're number 2, let's go. Take the 16, I solved this equation earlier. Let's pop it in. 16 minus 8 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 4 plus 12 is 16. Uh-oh. That means that's wrong. Stinks wrong. Let me get rid of this. 4th and long. We got a punching situation, folks. I'll take 500. Hope I make the math playoffs.
Let's see what the disco snowman thinks. He says to the guy, I says, is it, it's my turn? Solution, balance, equality, equation. What do you call that percent? Well, the final score, who really cares? Just remember, check yourself before you wreck yourself. That is testing a solution. So anytime in the future when you're doing algebra, it's so easy. Just take your answer and plug it back into the equation and see if you got a balance to see if you have the correct answer.
You better check yourself or you wreck yourself.
See you next time on the Math Show.
You must learn.